How to fix DoorDash login error. So let's say you open your DoorDash and try to log into your account and you can't. So first make sure that your internet is stable. Sometimes due to slow internet as well, it causes this problem. And the other thing is make sure you enter a correct login details. Sometimes it's due to entering incorrect password or like an incorrect email address, so check that. And even after entering a correct password and using a fast internet, if you're still facing this problem, then go to your app store and then search for DoorDash. See that if there is any update. So I can see that there is no update. If you had an update, then you would have two options, but I only have open option, so my DoorDash is up to date. Now DoorDash sometimes not being up to date as well causes this problem, and even after updating your DoorDash, if it's still not fixed, then what you can do is delete your DoorDash. Just not deleting your account but uninstalling it. Okay, so after uninstalling and then again install it from your Play Store. Sometimes due to a bug as well, it causes this problem, so make sure to check that. And even after that it still doesn't work, then make sure your account is not banned. If your account is banned, then you cannot open DoorDash as well, or suspend your account is suspended or banned. And if it still doesn't work, then what you can do is you can use VPN, because sometimes you're in a country where DoorDash is not available, so it just doesn't work. So use a VPN and connect to a country by DoorDash, connect to a country where DoorDash is available. So that's it. Those were the few steps through which you can log into your DoorDash. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.